Hello, this is Zeus of Toy Olympus. And in this video, we have Bandai Namco's Detective Conan Tastic Model Kit. It's an entry-grade kit, so it's just basic and easy to build. Here's a closer look at the side of the box. And here is his character profile. In my previous video, I explained what I remember about Doraemon. How about Detective Conan? Well, I remember watching a few episodes in the same TV channel as Doraemon. What I find impressive about Conan is that he's young, but he can solve crime mysteries as good, if not better, than older characters. I find it annoying when Conan gets belittled by older characters like Detective Kogoro Mori, especially because in the episodes I watched, he shoots the older detective with a tranquilizer to pretend he's him so he can close the case himself. Looking back, I wish people like Conan exist. Just imagine how many crime mysteries would have been solved with him on the case. Anyway, how about you? What do you remember about the series? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's go back to the kit and let's open it. Inside the box, you will find nothing. No, I'm just kidding. The instruction sheet and the parts in 3 runners. Here are the parts. As you can see, one of the packs includes 2 runners. And the other pack includes a runner and a sticker sheet for the eyes. Runners A1 and A2 include the red, blue, white, and flesh parts. While runner B includes the brown, gray, yellow, and colorless transparent parts. Here's how you assemble the kit. Here is the finished build. It's not posable, but I don't mind. It looks fine. But you need to glue the left arm to secure it. The figure is 4 and 5/8 inches tall, or about 11.5 centimeters. What I find interesting is that there are letters and symbols in the pieces so that it would be easy to find where each part fits in. It feels like you're fitting shapes in that shape sorter toy you had as a kid.
The arch.
The arch. The arch.
You guessed it.
The arch.
It goes in the square hole.
For this one, I decided not to use any stickers since even without them, the eyes look okay. Oh, before I forget, let's go back to this plastic model kit mystery. The back of the box gives hints about one part of the instruction to complete the build. So, if you would like to build this with your kid, I suggest skipping this part. Basically, there are three mystery pieces, and this is how you assemble them. As you can see, the pieces form the numbers 5 and 7 and the letter N. These numbers appear in the dials, and N is the missing part of the compass. With the Japanese letters Ko and Na in the panels above, we can now deduce that N completes Conan. Anyway, that's it. What are your thoughts on this kit? Let me know in the comments below. And to support the channel, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon to get updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.